This is the first day of me riding a motorbike on the streets. I thought it would be the ultimate challenge to do it in Vietnam. Right now I'm on my way back to the hotel after cruising around the countryside in the morning. I knew the city would be busy at this time, so as I was coming back in, I decided to pull over, shove the camera down my shirt, and hold on for dear life. Oh. Here we go, brother. Yeet. Yeet. Let's see if I'm Vietnamese yet. Oh, chill, no traffic. We're good. Stuck behind a car before and there was a bloody truck up my ass as well. Oh, how beautiful is this, bro? How beautiful is this? Fucking love it. Oh, overtake this bitch. Yo. Oh shit, can we brake? Trying to brake. Oh my gosh, bit bumpy. Fuck. Oh my gosh. Holy shit, I feel like I'm not even in control bars because I'm braking. That makes sense. So you can't fucking brake. Okay. Oh, so you can't steer as well when you're braking. That makes sense actually. I did know that, but I never felt it. Now we've learnt that. Yoo-hoo! Should stop for breakfast somewhere. I can't read any of the signs that I'm whizzing past to see what's going on. So many good places I've just fucking missed. So we can't go that way, this means we have to go to the right. Oh, hello, there's all the people. All my brothers. That looks alright. Steam bun, let's go left here. Chuck the indicator on. Fucking yeet across. Yep. Bang, pick your gap, boy, and shoot it. No hesitation. Just got to push up here, bang, bang. Push up here, going around to the right, boy. Hey yo, chillin'. I am Vietnamese. It's true. Oh shit, what's this fucker doing? Bang, dead. This is just crazy. Absolute craziness. Madness. Oh, you probably go for the overtake. Oh, yeah, fucking go slow. Oh yeah, overtake, bang. Bang. Oh, watch out for this brother. Now I'm fucking going. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, boy. Fuck, oh, now we're chilling in the bike lane, the unofficial bike lane. Oh my gosh, going over all the bumps. Shit. Red light. I'm just gonna fucking follow this dude. Cause YOLO. Go through reds. Yo. Dang, that chick's fast. Dang, that dude's fast. Holy shit. Bang, dead. That's good. Still got good exposure. Jump in the bike lane with all the brothers. Testing my skills here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Fucking hell, brother. This taxi's gonna go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, hey, through we go. Ain't nothing but a peanut. Lightweight, baby. You. Day for it. Basket carrying brother. Oh my gosh, the yellow scooter brother. Got some dudes on the side. Gotta watch out for them. All right, boom, let it go, baby. Woo! Coming up to the roundabout here. It's gonna be a tricky one. Turning left. Oh my gosh. How do we turn left through this? Shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna fucking whoop. 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 Oh my gosh, let's bump in here. Yep, get in there. Use the bus as a shepherd. Oh, easy, bro. Easy dubs. Okay, let's fucking get around here a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Fuck. Okay, using this car as a shield. Woo! Oh, yeah. Hey, yo, people in the way, bang, dead. Let her rip, baby. Ew! That was fucking wild. Oh my fucking gosh. Didn't even put my foot on the ground. Throttle control. Oh my gosh, there's people that way. I'm gonna go this way. So I have to turn left up here. We just go this side of the car. Go around, go on the wrong side of the road. No one gives a fuck. Oh my gosh, that guy's dead. Okay, there's a car on the way. Wait for the cars. I'm gonna go this way. Yep, bit of a long way around, but better safe than sorry. We're gonna turn left in here. Wait for this brother. Bang. Wait. Oh my gosh, people coming towards me. He's doing a Yui. Nice, we'll just go behind him. Dude, that was actually hectic as fuck. Yo. I love this country. Amazing. Fuck, car coming towards me. Bang, dead. What's this guy doing? Overtake this brother. Oh, bit of a traffic jam here. Fucking send it. Easy dubs. Okay, my hotel's up here somewhere. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go back for sleep after this one. Go to the toilet as well. I've shit myself multiple times. And where's the hotel? Here it is, bro. Here it is, brother. Easy dubs. Up onto the curb. Kickstand out. Bang, brother. Oh my gosh. Now that was wild, but the whip got me through. We did good. That was so much fun, actually. Far out, that was craziness.